Alright, I'm currently playing a game called Tornado Alley Ultimate. And it's a pretty fun game. You have to survive disasters.
And I will list, I'm pretty sure there are some that you get to see.
This game I have never played before. This is my first round ever I've played.
So, here's what you can expect. A tsunami, meteors, a flood, acid rain, a hurricane, a lava flood, or an atomic bomb. Oh, need to hurry.
Oh, and a snowstorm.
Yes.
And an avalanche.
Those are
Oh gosh. Alright. A disaster is currently happening. What was the disaster again? I didn't pay attention to what disaster this is. Oh crap, dude. Oh! Wait, what? Ah! It's right there, dude. Alright, this game is pretty good. I love this game already. Alright. Me and Avery are hiding. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm getting pulled to the wall. Oh no. I'm alive. How do you have admin? Alright guys, this is pretty scary. I really think I'm gonna die. I think I might die. Guys, I really think I might die right now. I'm not that sure. I die a lot. Well, I've never played this game, but I die a lot. I die a lot in games exactly like this. Oh, then I can go to them right now. Alright, the tornado will leave in like 15 seconds, guys. So there could possibly be a tsunami, which I think would not be likely to happen, really. Alright. Who needs help? Alright, I got my first ever survival. Guys, just got my first ever survival. Really glad.
It says I perished since.
Avery sadly died. I don't know how. Well, because I really didn't see you die, so I don't know how you really died. So, yeah.
For some reason.
By the way, here's proof I'm recording. There is this right here, so yeah, I know I'm recording. All right, let's go. All right, first ever survival ever.
You almost said ever. We need to make this like a 3-minute long video. Oh no, I can't turn my camera. No, this is supposed to be special.
Avery, they cannot see you.
Okay, sorry.
Then you can turn your camera. You can turn your camera back on. You're fine.
Oh no, I'm keeping it off.
Why?
If Blake hits 1,000 subscribers, I will post it for a video.
Okay, that's fine.
And Blake will do a footnote.
No.
You don't want to show them your feet?
There's no reason to. What the heck?
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
All right, guys. Here comes the second round. I'm gonna go for town. Which? All right. Experience the town life. Check out the tennis court, local factory, and even casino. A beautiful yet... Oh, I didn't get to finish it all. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
Hey, hey.
Yeah.
Also, if you really do like this, when you the like button will turn blue.
By the way, guys, I will be uploading a few times a day. Sometimes it will just be one, sometimes it'll be two.
Or 15, because why not?
Bro,
On
I'm
the
not
weekends,
I'm
we
not
upload
spending
more
like
videos.
7 hours on a computer uploading non-stop videos.
On weekends, we will upload about 2 to 3 videos, but on weekdays, we might only get to do 2.
Okay, goodbye.
Oh my god, stop.
He's 40.
Shut up.
Oh, casino.
Oh, I'm sorry about that, guys. My dad was just messing around with me. All right, guys. Round is starting. I am currently hiding in a building. Storm weather is approaching. The Robloxian weather station has issued a tornado watch. Find shelter immediately. This tornado. Okay. All right. I am kind of scared and kind of not. I don't want to die. All right. Here comes a tornado. I hope it's not a 5. Hope it's not an EF5.
The best way to stay alive is get under a staircase, get by a staircase and come through the door. Make sure there's no windows or anything.
Oh. Is it? Oh, nice. Ah! Guys, I don't know what's happening. I'm getting flung around. That's all I know. All right, guys, I might die already. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Don't touch me, tornado. Don't even think about touching my buns. You're not touching my buns, hon. I died. Avery's still alive somehow. I honestly don't know how. I re-entered the map. I'm currently crawling so the tornado can't touch my buns. Oh! It says Bustin0624 has oofed. Honestly, I don't know how Avery has not died yet. He survived this whole time without dying once. Oh no! Mommy! I am! I died. I sadly died, but Avery is still somehow alive. I think Avery is hacking because he's still alive.
Dude, I'm not hacking. Firstly, you're making content. I wouldn't hack on content. We could get monetized.
Oh yeah, true.
And it could be shadow banned. So it would be banned, but we wouldn't know. Sorry for just muttering to each other. We just talk about things.
I haven't been muttering at all.
Yeah, I mean talking to each other and really not.
Yeah, boy.
We're really early.
Yeah, boy.
I'm running for his channel. I pretty much work for him.
All right, guys. We're doing pretty good. Wait, how long have I been recording?